Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the 7 tips you need to take in order to buy your home here in Los Angeles. Let's take this journey together. The first step in buying a house is evaluating your financial situation and determining if you are ready for home ownership. This could be done by looking at your current financial situation, such as expenses, and figuring out how much money you are making on a monthly basis. Tip 2. Saving for a down payment and closing costs. Finding a down payment for a home may be challenging in Los Angeles, but the city has financial assistance programs, which help low-income homebuyers by providing loans to cover the down payment, acquisition, and closing costs for first-time homebuyers. So please take advantage of this. Tip 3. Pre-approval for a mortgage loan. Pre-approval for a loan is important because without this letter, you will not be able to make an offer on your property. If you want to shop your dream home, you need to know how much you can afford. Tip 4. Checking your credit score before you buy. Your credit score is important because if your credit score is too low, you may be offered a higher interest rate on your mortgage loan. Best thing to do is to pay down your debt to boost your credit score higher, which will allow you to get a better interest rate on your mortgage loan. Tip 5. Getting a real estate agent. Your real estate agent will guide you through the entire home buyer process. Your agent will help you negotiate contracts, the price of the home, and help you out with the closing process. Remember, your agent will help you find your dream home. Tip 6. Hiring an inspector. You need to hire a professional inspector before getting a home. The inspector will tell you if there are any problems with the home and could put you in an advantage when negotiating the price of the home with the seller. So it's very important that you hire an inspector. Tip 7. The closing of your new home is one of the happiest times in your life. On the closing date, you will meet with the title company and sign many important documents. Just make sure to review all the important documents and paperwork before you sign anything. Congratulations! You are now on your way on becoming a homeowner. If you have any questions on buying a home here in Los Angeles, let's connect. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos on my California series. I'll see you in the next video.